Luke 1:38. I am the Lord's servant, Mary answered. May your word to me be fulfilled. Then the angel left her. Take a moment and find stillness. Put your hand over your heart. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Exhale slowly. Let the tension drop from your shoulders. This is your moment to release the pressure and rest in presence. What have you been trying to figure out lately? Where have you been overthinking, overplanning, or delaying because you don't know how it will all work out? Let that question rise to the surface. Be honest. There's no shame in not knowing. But there is freedom in letting go. Luke 1:38 reminds us of Mary's bold surrender. She didn't ask for clarity. She simply said, I am the Lord's servant. May your word to me be fulfilled. She trusted the who, even when she couldn't see the how. That's the kind of peace you're invited into. You don't have to carry the burden of figuring it all out. Your only job is to say yes. Repeat this softly. I don't need full clarity to obey. I trust the one who called me. Picture yourself holding a blueprint. It's beautiful, but incomplete. Now, picture Jesus standing beside you, holding the master plan. You slowly hand him the blueprint you've been gripping. And in return, he places peace in your hands. Breathe it in. Peace instead of pressure. Here's your declaration for today. Surrender isn't weakness. It's sacred strength. I trust you, Lord. Let that soak in. Open your hands. And let go of the timeline. You are safe in the hands of the one who called you. When you're ready, open your eyes. God's got this. And He has you.